And a day will come, I will return to Manding to save the land of my father. To save the land for all Mandinka people. To save the land for everybody. Jata kumba, jata daba. Nari makan konate. Subaru forba jata konate. Dabar forla jata konate. Simbombe takajala. The lion left Monday. But the brother was not comfortable at all. After chasing Sunjata. He knows Sunjata was a hero. To his journey, Malafashaki Kuyate. Jalis are the mediators, the informers, peacemakers, entertainers, also musicians. The word musician in the role of a Jalis, musician is the last word. And they are the closest in the royal court to the king. He called unto his Jali and said, Jali, I want you to take my sister to Smauru Kante, a beautiful sister. Tell her to marry her. And look for my brother Sunjata Keta and kill him. I don't want him to come back to Manding to take over as a king here. Yeah. Maninkolu la jinyo sokoda. Dari maganja da sada ni todima. Kume mana fo mande wala keda. Kume mana ke mande wala foda. Malafaseki Kuyate left Manding with Dankaran Tumans, the new king's sister, to Guinea Conakry, to the Susu king Sumauru Kante. How do you read in Sumauru? Susuke Mode Sumauru Kante. Namiteno Yogala. Sumauru Niman Manamote de Nasila Kante. He went to Sumauru. Sumauru and the warriors were in the forest, drinking their wine and having a nice time, riding on their horses. But Malafaseki Kuyate, the musician, came with the sister of the new king of Manding, and they took them to the house of Sunjata Sumauru. Wait here, he will come soon. He's in the forest. While waiting, Malafaseki saw the Balafa. He said, this is an instrument. He stood up, he wanted to touch the instrument. The falcon bird said, no, touch that instrument, I am the one looking after Small's instrument. If you touch that instrument, you are dead, I am dead. And I will break the promise between me and Smaworo Kandi. Just let me lay my hands on that instrument. The bird said no. Please. He said, what can you do for me if I let you touch the instrument? But Faseki said, all my ancestors will never kill a falcon and will never eat a falcon. Will never even harm a falcon. The falcon bird said, this is a great promise for me. Take the balafon, you can play. This is how Balafon Seke Kuyate, the Kuyate family, he started to play on the balafon. Genius playing. Bejadalema, Simon Bejadalema, Jadai Kuje. He played. The Fogelbird flied and went away. Sumaworo was in the forest. He said, the spirit of a human being who had came to my home. He noticed it all the way away from the forest. A spirit or a human being. He took his spear and led the warriors in a very, very strong riding towards the village.
Vraiment.
Gambis dañ sori fii.
Gambis ñoo lajal boy fii boy ñetti yoon.
Suko simbo ani simu zeloba. Manikalo kaba simu ani jata benna. Sumaworo came the back door, jumped off his horse, spirit of a human, started to listen. He had sound from the balafon. Melodies from the balafon that he has never had.
Boy.
Small felt deeply touched by the musician. Holding his spear in his hand, all the warriors behind him. When Balfaseki looked around, he saw Small. He was frightened. He started to praise Small and
You for a bro.
Ukubani bandamba Zumoro. Thank you, Jali. I think this instrument is not mine. It belongs to you. Play the instrument for me. Play! He said tomorrow, there's no ever king born like him. Tomorrow start working proudly on the soil of Guinea. He sing and he sing and he sing. After the dinner, he called the girl and said, what is your mission here? I came with the daughter, the sister of the new king of Mandi. He said he has given it her to you